What if I told you stashing cash might be your biggest financial bottleneck? Today, we're flipping the script. Don't save money. 8 powerful moves instead. This isn't clickbait. It's backed by research, behavioral science, and real-life success stories that will blow your mind. Ready to break the old patterns and build unstoppable prosperity? Stick around until the end, and last point will challenge everything you thought you knew about how to get ahead financially. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. Let's dive in. Number 1. Invest in invisible assets. Most people focus on saving money in the bank, but inflation eats away at its value. Investing in invisible assets like skills, knowledge, and relationships ensures your wealth grows faster than inflation, securing your financial future. It's not just about having money. It's about making money work for you. Imagine 2 friends, Kate and John. Kate saves $500 every month in her savings account, while John invests the same amount in learning new skills and networking. Over time, John's investments in himself lead to a promotion with a $10,000 salary increase. Meanwhile, Kate's savings haven't grown significantly due to inflation. John's approach shows the power of investing in yourself. Shift your focus from saving money to investing in yourself and your future. Invisible assets like skills, knowledge, and relationships appreciate in value over time. The returns on these investments will far exceed those of a simple savings account, setting you on the path to lasting wealth and financial independence. Number 2. Scale your skill into a solvable problem. During Mumbai monsoons, Rohan, a graphic designer, watched local businesses struggle with pandemic-era digital catalogs. So, with no savings, he offered affordable click-through catalog designs for rupees 3,000, which is $36 each. Within 6 months, he was earning 3 times his full-time salary, all from oscillating work and no savings buffer. You're creating value that solves a real problem. According to a 2023 Harvard Business Review study, small businesses that pivot skills into service offerings saw their revenue jump by 40% in under a year. People either hoard skills or hope for the right time, but inaction doesn't pay bills. Skills without real-world application are like canned food you never open. They're sterile and expire. Ask, what annoying task can I streamline in my network? Then test it for low cost. Reinvest early profits in tools, ads, or upskilling to scale faster. Ready to flip how you use your earnings to build long-term wealth? What comes next will shatter your belief in traditional savings. Number 3. Build autonomous income funnels. Let's get brutally honest. Most people are addicted to trading time for money. You work 8 hours, get paid for 8 hours. But here's the harsh truth. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you're one emergency away from financial collapse. The biggest mistake? Relying solely on active income and calling it stability. Even if you're earning $100K a year without autonomous income systems, you're stuck in a golden cage. Instead, start building autonomous income funnels, digital products, YouTube channels, affiliate websites, ebooks, or even low-maintenance service-based businesses that run on automation. Saving money is like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. Invest your money to build assets rather than saving. If your bank account needs you to clock in, you don't have income. You have indentured earnings. Building income funnels is like installing a water source that never runs dry. Identify one core asset: text, audio, video, product. Build a content funnel: teaser, value, opt-in, monetization. Automate as much as possible with scheduling tools and simple back-end systems. Curious how shifting your money flow comes next without stashing any away? Here's where things get really interesting. Number 4. Channel money as a signal. Money isn't just a medium, it's a message. When you spend with intention, you're influencing culture. 62% of consumers are willing to pay a premium if the purchase signals their values, like supporting environmental causes or transparency. Treat spending as a tool of self-expression. Most people spend anonymously, on sales items or impulse buys, without realizing that purchases broadcast something about us. They don't curate the signal their money sends. Choose purpose-driven suppliers, support green-certified brands, small businesses, or artistic communities. Share your story. Let others know why this purchase matters. Number 5. Buy back your time, not just toys. Here's a dangerous illusion most people fall for. They think spending money on things equals success, so they buy a bigger car, the newest iPhone, or the fanciest coffee machine. But here's a provocative question. What's more valuable, owning more stuff or owning more time? People who spend money to save time report greater happiness than those who spend money on material things. Yet most people work 50+ hours a week just to afford stuff that leaves them stressed, tired, and unfulfilled. You didn't escape the rat race. You just decorated your cage. You can always make more money. You can never make more time. If $50 saves you 5 hours and you use that time to make $300, that's not spending, that's smart investing. As Naval Ravikant says in the Almanac of Naval, people who live far below their means enjoy a freedom that people busy upgrading their lifestyles can't fathom. Number 6. Rent the lifestyle. Own the freedom. Max, a 27-year-old sales manager in Miami. He used to lease a BMW at $700 per month and rent a $2,200 apartment downtown. His savings, $0. Then one day, he sold the car, moved to a modest home 20 minutes out, and started using Turo and Airbnb to rent the experience of luxury only when needed. That decision freed up $1,500 per month. He started investing that into index funds and a dividend stock portfolio. Within 3 years, he had over $60,000 in assets and no debt. Audit your recurring status expenses, luxury car leases, designer brands, subscriptions you don't use. Cancel one. Replace it with a smarter rental or skip it altogether. Use the savings to build an emergency fund or invest in an ETF. Owning status is like wearing gold-plated chains. They look good, but they're still chains. Renting status is like borrowing the costume for the show. You can walk off stage anytime. You don't need to prove you've arrived. Quiet confidence and compound wealth are the real flex. Number 7. Rewire your financial identity. When Tasha, a struggling single mom in Atlanta, realized her biggest block wasn't money, but the belief that she didn't deserve wealth, everything changed. She started journaling her money fears, reading neuroplasticity studies, and repeating identity-based affirmations daily. Within 2 years, she built a $60K per year Etsy store selling handmade journals and credits 90% of it to mindset shifts, not tactics. You'll always return to your financial thermostat. If you see yourself as just surviving, you'll sabotage every opportunity to thrive. If you want to change your income, change your identity. Be the kind of person who doesn't need to save because you create more than you spend. Number 8. Spend to eliminate mental debt. We talk about financial debt, but few talk about cognitive debt, the backlog of unfinished decisions, unfiled paperwork, and unresolved guilt. This kind of debt no one puts on a spreadsheet. Mental debt. It's the anxiety of unpaid bills, unwashed laundry, cluttered inboxes, and overdue health checkups. Most people underestimate how much this invisible burden silently drains their energy, focus, and income potential. We spend $300 on a weekend dinner to feel better, but hesitate to spend $100 on a therapist, a cleaner, or a productivity tool that could clear mental space for months. Here's the brutal truth. A cluttered mind is a closed wallet. When your head is full of stress, your creativity shuts down, decision fatigue kicks in, and your ability to earn and grow shrinks. Yet people keep trying to save money while carrying a mind overloaded with unpaid responsibilities. Pick one open tab in your life right now. Is it a cluttered closet, a delayed medical checkup, a task that keeps nagging you at 2 a.m.? Pay someone or buy a service to close that loop. Mental clarity pays compound interest. Buying things adds to your life's noise. Spending to remove mental debt creates room to hear your own potential. Saving is playing defense. Creation is offense. If you want to win, you need both. But start by mastering the offensive game. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If you apply even just 3 of these, you'll see results that no bank savings account could ever deliver. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.